We have another example on the board. Again, we're supposed to prove that the left side of my equation is equal to the right. I'm going to start, like always, from the most complex side. This time I have fraction on the right side. That's why I'm going to start from the right side. Let me copy this down. I have 1 plus sine theta cosine theta plus sine theta over cosine theta. This is equal. Next, I'm going to rewrite this fraction as the sum of 3 separate fractions, as 1 over cosine theta plus sine theta times cosine theta over cosine theta plus sine theta over cosine theta. Okay? Now please notice that we can reduce cosine with cosine because we have multiplication in the numerator. And let's take a look with what we end up. 1 over cosine theta is secant theta. So we have secant theta plus sine theta, and we reduced cosines, so we have sine theta over 1 is just sine theta plus, and sine theta over cosine theta is tangent theta. That's why I have tangent theta. Just take a look what we have obtained and look at the left side of the original equation. So we simply proved that the left side is equal to the right side.